Yo guys, my name is Washer J.
And this is GMJ.
Subscribe to
TJ God Kicks 89 on YouTube channel.
What is up guys, TJ Got Kicks 89 here, back with another video. Today we got a recent pickup from a streetwear auction that I won at Streetwear Auctions NY. And we have got the Fear Pack 5s. I know that this is an old shoe and I know that this will be a very outdated video, but finding a DS pair in technically a flawless condition, barring the slightly yellowed outsole, is a steal. I don't think I want to name the price that I got it for, but let me assure you it was way under retail from what I recall. But let's get into the shoebox. So the size tag reads US 9.5. I think the colorway, as I recall it, is Sequoia, Fire Red, Medium Olive, and Black. Comes in your standard cement box where all the 5s and 6s come in, the recent 6s, the infrared 6s. Red Jumpman on the top with Nike copywriting at the bottom, Jumpman logo there. Now let's open up this bad boy. And there you have it, guys. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the Fear Pack 5. Quick 360 for you guys. Flawless condition, like I said. Just the slightly yellowed outsole, but I'm gonna rock these, so I don't mind. So this Fear Pack 5 came out in 2013, the same time that I think the Grapes, and the year that 5s came out, the Fire Reds, the black infrareds, the metallic silvers with the 23. But this was one of the shoes. It was in the 3-pack series. It was this 5. There was the 3s and the 4s, and that made up the Fear Pack, which was essentially a play on a commercial in, I don't remember when, but it was when Michael said that he was scared of what he could become, and that was partially the reason why some people hold back from reaching their full potential, essentially. But just getting into the actual features of the shoe is primarily made up of this very premium wax suede, and it goes all the way around the shoe. And I think right out the box, when you try to crinkle certain parts of the shoe, like in the toe box and in the back, you'll hear some crispiness. As I recall, some of my friends who had this pair back in the day, I couldn't afford it, but I got it now. But the thing with wax suede is that it doesn't really wear that well, so this will definitely crease and show signs of wear, no matter how well you're gonna take care of it, especially at the back here where you usually put on, you know, like when you wear your 5s, and like this part will have creases, as you could technically see already, just as an outline. But this part will definitely show signs of wear, and also in the heel and also in the forefoot. So aside from the wax suede going all the way around, you have one of the most prominent features of this pack, which was the black netting going on the medial and lateral side, lateral all median side, and also running all up at the tongue. And this, I think, was one of the first time that Jordan Brand did this, aside from when they released the Jordan 5 lows, and I think in the Pro Star series in 2017, as I recall. But this part would usually get yellowed up like this, and when it was blacked out like how this is, basically it wouldn't show that signs of wear, because 5s are just so wearable and just so durable that people tend to beat them up a lot, and it would obviously get yellowed over time. So this is a look at the inside of the insole, because I can't really pull it out because it's glued in there really well. It's high exposure on my face, but if you can see, it says, "I'm scared of what I would not become, and it has the Jordan Jumpman logo there in red. So running up the tongue, you've got flat black laces. There are no spare laces that come with this shoe, unfortunately. And I think one of the best features was this this toggle here, the lace lock toggle, which has a red Jumpman on the inside, and you've got this black reflective tongue with the Jordan Jumpman in red. And at the midsole, you have got a very interesting choice of colors. It's supposed to play on the black and military green or sequoia colorway on the shoe, and you've got the fighter jet, I think it was the Mustang World War II fighter plane inspired pattern here on the forefoot. Does not have any performance features whatsoever, but it's speckled out in red. It kind of looks like the was it the Raging Bulls 5s that had like the bloody tips, but this is speckled in red. And the black transitions into this green sequoia on the back, and it has very nice speckled detailing, and this continues all the way around the shoe. Your red speckles there, and as you can tell on the inside, it has a red air unit in the heel. Going on to the outsole of the shoe, you have black and clear sole pods, but on the clear parts, sorry, let's focus that for you. But on the clear parts, as you can tell, it's starting to yellow around the sides, as it usually does in most clear sole shoes, be it Foamposite, Jordan 11s, whatever. But this will happen over time. But at the clear sole, you see a red Jumpman prominently there, and because this was a pre-remastered series, you've got the Jordan lettering there on the middle, and you've got your Jordan Jumpman there in the back, as opposed to Nike Air. So the tech specs on the Jordan 5 is a heel and forefoot unit, and the forefoot unit is enclosed. But on the Jordan 5, especially after 2013, which was this era, essentially you could feel it as if it was kind of top loaded slightly. So when you wear your shoe, you could actually feel it in the first time that you wear it. It's very prominent in the forefoot, and in the heel, this just compresses so damn well, and it's just so comfortable. One of the favorites of the series that came out in 2013 was the grapes, which I unfortunately do not have with me anymore. I had to let those go because I was going through some difficult times. But those were damn beat up, and the kid that bought it, although it was at a slightly hefty price, he was so happy that he got it. And I'm actually looking for the Fresh Prince pair to punch out the holes and make it like a real wearable 5. So the Fear Pack 5, finally got it in my collection. Closing words, this goes for a really hefty price right now on StockX. I think US 9.5 runs about for 400 USD. I am not sure about how wearable this is. I will definitely give it a shot, but even if it doesn't hold up, I'll just put it in the collection, wrap it up in that shrink wrap thing, and just immortalize this, because I am a fan of 5s. Among all of the Jordan silhouettes, if you must know, I love the Jordan 5s because of how practical it is, and I just like how the toe cap is just there. It just looks like a very skater friendly shoe, and I think one of the America, I think Brian's saw, but he had his shoe that basically looked like this, and also the 6s. So this shoe just is just so wearable and just so comfortable to me. It goes with anything, shorts, jeans, what have you, but very happy to have this in my collection. So that takes care of the review on the Jordan 5 Fear Pack. This is your boy TJ Got Kicks 89. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more sneaker based content from me, your boy TJ Got Kicks 89, from sunny Malaysia, who's going through a monsoon season right now. Your Jordan Fear Pack 5s. This is TJ Got Kicks 89. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.